business, places you need to go.
Sa real talk, real time, klaro gyud ang flow. Love and life, apil sa diskusyon na to. Ang tawo luyo sa story, ginahatagan og respeto. May smile, may question, sometimes serious too. If it's honest and real, you're welcome here with you. Real talk, real time.
Let's break it down together. Usapang na ay pulos, not rush now or ever.
Every hour, every story we bring to light.
Ang kamaoran ng bida, front and center every time. Even politics and issues nga, init ang tono. All sides are heard, respeto ang pundasyon gyud na to. You don't need perfection, just be true.
Sa real talk, real time, na akay lugar para ni mo gyud. From trending topics to personal questions, every answer has value, every word a lesson. Dili lang kasaba, but clarity and point. Usapang na ay unod, that's the promise we join.
This is a show open to every point of view. Bisan lain-lain ang opinion, respeto gihapon ang rule. Listen, join in, sabay tang makakaon. Real talk, real time, tinuod klaro ug lik-on.
Real talk, real time, conversations with no escape. Every topic has space, every voice has weight. Real talk, real time, social or radio time. Klaro ug limpyo ang istoryahan, every single line. The real talk, real time. Salamat sa pagpaminaw until the next conversation. Truth is the friend you have now. Real talk, real talk, real talk.
Real time, sa pumalay bakas. Real time, sa pagpalangkakas.
Real talk, real time. On social.
Okay, good evening, everyone, or should I say good day to all of you. We're back. How's your 2 weeks, Miss Ange? Partner na ko din nga. Permi lang mahabilin. Sorry,
Lagi.
sorry.
2 weeks kang wala, ha? Ikaw, gyud.
Well, anyway, we all know naman, when racing season is back, then medyo di gyud ko kasaad sa akong mga weekends, no? So okay lang if the races will be here in Cebu, but last weekend we had a great time in Pontevedra, Capiz. Yeah, you know where that is? No, right?
Yeah, you just explained it to me. Abi na ako ka na bang, sorry ha, katong unguan na, di man de sa'yo
No,
pala ako ang
no.
maling akala.
Anyway, now, so I hope nakapahuway ang tanan og tarong now. Makarelate gyud ni tanan sa atong topic tonight,
yes.
Ange, no? So, unsay atong gi-title ani? The title is Cost of Living and Financial Anxiety, no? So, kana siguro I think makarelate raman siguro tanan ani, Ange, no?
Oh,
Ikaw
gyud.
makarelate ka ani?
Oh, gyud.
Ha? So, especially ang kanang kuano, kanang feeling gani nimo nga kanang ang imong sweldo gani mura rag bisita. Mura rag bisita nimo.
Uh-huh.
Ha? Mura rag bisita sa imong account.
Hi, hello?
Mo hi hello lang. No? Then after hours ra gani ha di ka abtag adlaw. After hours lang wala goodbye. Ha? No? So nagasto na. So again, mao na ato ang istoryahan na karong gabi una regarding aning ato ang gibati, no? So apil ba mo? Sama ba mo namo ni Angela diri nga ang feeling namo wara mo hi and hello ra sa amo ang wallet.
Oh, gyud. Wa pa gani maabot, wala nagasto na.
Hi and hello ra sa tong wallet, no? So if you're also feeling this way, just like, you know, the both of us, feel free to comment. So may gabi, so feel free to jot down your comments to us via our... Are we live, Raf? Yes, we are. So, sige lang. Well, nagstorya mi ni Angela diri, ipadayag lang sad ng inyong gibati diha karon, no? Kay basically ang atong storyahan is first nganong murag mas lisod mabuhi karon. Would you agree?
Yes.
Ha?
Yes, gyud. Yes, gyud.
So, you go ahead. Ikaw in your own words, nganong makaingon man ka nga murag lisod, mas lisod. Let's say comparing to, we have to have a comparison. Let's say Are we comparing it to, let's say, 10 years ago? Or maybe 15 years ago?
Yeah, kana siguro kanang
No?
10, yeah.
So, you mean to say, mas lisod ka
Lisod,
ron?
lisod. Like, we can get to the specifics later, no? But,
Mhm.
labi na ka ng feeling sa mga workers, Neil, ba? Sa
Yeah.
workforce.
Ah,
Ang sweldo mo ra gihapon ang pamaliton kay
Mm.
nagsigig sa ka.
mm.
So,
No?
that in itself is a pain ba? Kung dako kag sweldo 10 years ago,
Yeah.
wa na ginang dako nimong sweldo karon kay mas dako ang pamaliton.
Yeah, because honestly, Ange, mostly ako ang tanaw ba, no? Feeling lang ako, na? Feeling na ako, ang tanan tao karon exhausted financially.
Oh, yeah.
O dili man ganit tanan, mostly,
Mm.
no? Majority. No? Murag financially exhausted gid sila karon.
Mm.
Makita man nimo nga kanang murag nag-apas gani.
Mhm.
Ha? Kay ba sabot ka ng feeling nga
Yes.
kanang nag-apas permi?
Yes.
No? So, unlike before nga murag lami pa kay paminawon ba kanang the feeling of tomorrow is the payday.
Mm.
Yeah, can you still remember that feeling? Ay, payday tomorrow.
Mhm.
Asa ko musuroy.
Mm.
Asa kong restaurant. Mukaon. No? Karon dili na. Ay, payday tomorrow. Mabayra na gyud ako ang kuryente.
Mao gyud.
No? Mabayra na gyud ako ang, let's say, whatever amortization that you have.
Mm.
Because maybe 3 years, 4 years, or maybe 5 years ago, you never thought that, we would come to this. Maybe there was a time nga medyo nindot ang kuan, no? Nindot
Mm.
ang lakaw. As you
Mm.
said, ang hayahay nga sweldo before, maybe that was before. Pero karong mga panahon na, karong mga panahon na, ang imong gisweldo sa una 5 years ago, murag medyo gikuwang na or
Yes.
kapos na, no? Karon. Kay as you mentioned kanina, Ange, ingon ka nga sweldo, gamay ang sweldo. Now, arita mo segue ta gamay before ta mo proceed aning ko ano. Syempre, as you said, mahal ang panaliton, no? Panaliton like the basic, no? Food, no? Like bugas.
Mm.
Bugas. Basically kanang bugas magyud.
Mm.
Kay let's face it, no? Ang mga taong maglisod usahay sigurohon na lang gyud ang bugas. Hi Glenda. Hello. Maria Glenda Suico is with us. Hi, hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Miss Glenn, sorry jud kayo, no? I wasn't able to. Weren't able to make it during the salo-salo time.
Yeah,
the last
Ralph,
time.
you explained man
Sorry
kahatod
jud
adlaw,
kayo,
eh,
Glenn.
no?
No? Ako, I really had a prior commitment, no? And then I told Raf that if it will be finished early, then mo apas ko. Anyway, now karon kuryente, bugas, saka ng mga nag-commute lang on a day-to-day basis, no? Ilang plite, no? So, syempre.
No, kanilang Neil, ha? Mothers can relate
yeah,
with this, no? Ang for the same amount, kung nag-grocery ka, di ba the point of comparison, let's say 10 years.
Yeah,
10 years ago, pila na naka-plastic? Same amount,
Right,
di ba?
right,
Boxes pa siguro.
right.
Karon for the same amount, di na ka magpatabang og bit-bit sa plastic, pwede na nimo kargahon yourself.
Okay, wow ka, aligri kayo. Mao gyud na. Just every time we go to groceries,
Mm.
mao gyud na permi na ko isulti sa akong anak.
Mm.
Like, you know what? Nak, spending the same amount, kaning cart, puno na ni sa una.
True.
Karon, wa gani kabot katunga sa cart.
Mhm.
No? So, you know what's the scary part? For me, the scary part is, murag normal siya. Kabantay ka, murag normal na lang sa tao nga magpanik. Normal na lang sa tao nga murag naglisod.
Mo ba, yeah.
And for me, that scares me.
Ah,
That scares me. Kay,
true.
para manggod nako, murag, isa siguro angay nga murag maanad ta, nga maglisod ta, or, di ba? So, we have to do something, no? So, I don't know. Talking about salaries, ako medyo debatable ng aparte for me, to be honest. Because once you increase salaries, basically the businessmen, they will just add it on sa prices. So you see my point? Kumbaga, everybody's talking about, di lang ka kasultian na because, medyo arang-arang ka pagkabutang. No, it's not that. My point is, kung imong isaka ang sweldo, asa man nakuhaon sa mga
Yeah.
negosyante ang pagsaka sa sweldo?
Bawion nila sa kuan.
It's part of the cost of their product,
Mm.
right? It's going to be a part, it's an operational cost, expense.
So musaka ang selling price.
So, musaka ra gyapon ang selling price. So magginukdanay ra gyapon na.
Yes.
So inigsaka nimo sa imong sweldo lipay na ka. Let's say for example, ang imong sweldo karon minimum ka. I think the minimum right now is 615. 533 if I'm not mistaken. Here in Cebu.
Mhm.
No, 533. Kung 533 ba or 540 na ba? No, I'm not quite sure. So kung iato ng isa ka, no? Let's say for example, ato ng dublihon. Himo na to 1,000 per day. No? Himo na to 1,000 per day. And then ang kilo sa bugas gikan sa napa ba 50 ron? Napa ba 50 ron? Or 60 na?
NFA?
Ha?
I don't know. Ang
Napa siguro?
kanang mga ganador ivory, hapit na 70
Ayaw
na.
na lang ng ganador og ivory because I'm sure the working class people will you know, it's gonna settle for a lesser type of, you know, rice as long as medyo limpyo lang sa ilan sa mga lagong kayo. No? Butang lang na to siguro 55
Okay.
or butang na to bisag 50. No?
Mhm.
Ibutang nimo og 50. Now karon, pag saka sa imong sweldo, gihimog 1,000 per day imong sweldo. Mahimo sa nag 100 pesos per kilo. Oras storya ha.
Mm.
See the logic there? No? Okay.
There's this small can of delata ba
Mm.
that, you know, I buy for the kids. Kaya ka na bang dinali-dali na luto
Yeah.
nila ba? Kay gutomon, whatever.
Small cans like
It's
are
a small can. Luncheon meat ng gamay.
luncheon meat
Yeah,
gamay. Okay.
not the tall thin one, ha, but
Mhm.
it's
Yeah.
it's a flat one.
Yeah.
Tapos round.
Okay.
So anyway, it used to be 33.
Mm.
33 gina siya ha. I know that. I keep buying it. When I
Mm.
bought last week, 45 pa bitaw na nil. From 33 to 45, imagine
Oh,
that.
so just imagine that. No?
Then mag-ura ko nakapalit og 33 ha.
Mm.
And now it's 45. And I bought it from the same store.
Mm.
Oh.
Yeah, kay kana man good, expected man good gyud na siya no. Kay kana lagi. Ang fuel man good kaning gasolina anj ba. Basta musaka gani ang precious gasolina, damay gyud na tanan.
Mm.
Mm. Kay unsaon man pag-abot anang butanga diha sa mga display racks sa mga department store, sa mga sari-sari store,
Mhm.
sa mga tindahan, kung di na i-deliver.
Mm.
So nagyud na delivery cost. And delivery cost is consuming fuel, right? So kung musaka ang fuel, tanang delivery expense, delivery cost, saka gina.
Mm.
So inigsaka na, parisan pag yun nimo pasakan pa nato ang sweldo karon. Now, I don't know sa kanang dili man na nato department Ange, no. So di gyud ta kibaw unsa gyud saktong computation no sa sakto nga sweldo sa usa ka tawo. Kay usahay matingala ta naay mo sweldo, naay mo income og let's say 10,000 a month, 8,000 a month. Paigo sa usa ka pamilya. Pero naay mo sweldo og tag 25,000, 30,000 ulitaw, walay anak, way responsibilidad, kuwang.
Ah,
No? So
ah,
maybe
lifestyle
siguro
pod.
lifestyle sad, no?
Mm.
But bisag tangtangon na nato ang lifestyle. Tangtangon ta na ang lifestyle aritas pinaka-practical.
Mm.
I just don't have the formula kung unsaon gyud na pag-compute. Kung pila gyud saktong sweldo sa usa ka tawo. Kay unfair man sa guna. I think we mentioned this in one of our episodes last time. Nga it depends also on the number of dependents, right?
Mm.
Kay syempre the more dependents you have, the more dako imong gasto.
Mhm.
'Di ba? Kay gikan sa gatas pagkabata pa na nila, hangtod sa pagkaon nga modagko na sila, abot pa sa pagskwela, kung magskwela na tanan. So it also varies. So I don't know if we have to set a law or something. No, magbuhat ba tag bag-ong balaod nga kinahanglan mapariha ta sa China nga i-control ang anak, pila ra kabuk anak, kung mulapaw anak, automatic, no? So I mean, I'm sure i-bash na sad ta sa mga religious group ani, no? We're not trying to be either sides, no? Wala tay gidapigan nga sides. Ang ato rang gistoryahan nga ri karon is ang kahimtang,
Mm.
no? The way of living, no? Kay usa pa sad Ange, ang nakaaligri magud ani kung makabantay ka nga people are silently struggling kay online tanan successful.
Oh yes.
Ha?
Oh, di ba suya
Diba?
dayon what is online,
Aligri sa kining social media ba? No?
Oh.
I mean, kung magpadala lang jud ka sa social media, mahabilin ka, uy.
Mm.
No, mabilin ka oy. No? Kay ang uban diha tan-aw nimo maybe your friends, maybe your former neighbors or maybe your longtime neighbors nga inigtan-aw nimo sa ilang social media. Wow. Nakapalit og bag-o nga ing-ani, nay bag-o nga ing-ani, no? Unsa nakaadto sa laing lugar, no? Nay picture nga nakaadto sa laing lugar. So, murag feeling nimo ikaw murag biya na kay ka.
Ah.
No? I mean, for all we know, nakaadto siya sa laing lugar because naay company conference.
Mhm.
Diba? Dili to ingon nga personal gyud niya nga gastos, no? Or maybe na nakasakyanan og ingana di dito iyang sakyanan, di ba? Ni parking ra to diha, nagpa-picture lang. No, we'll never know. No, we'll never know. Maybe it's true. True or dili. My point is, sometimes if you parang give weight, more weight, no, na topic ni namo ni Jiggy eh. If you give more weight on what you see in social media, para nako ikaw ray alkansi.
Mao gyud.
Ikaw ray magalkansi,
Okay.
ikaw ray magsakit.
Mao gyud.
Because, I don't know. Ang ako is, basically, I don't know. I'm not saying that I'm against social media. No? It's also good. But, siguro, ang imo ha sigurong attitude towards it? Or how do you say it? Ang imuhang paggamit sa social media? Murag imo sigurong timbang-timbangon. Like, you use social media because you have to. Do not, ayaw dibdiba ang social media because it's,
There,
Diba?
kana dili it's not all real.
diba? Murag
Actually,
ingana ba?
very little of that is real.
Diba?
Like for example, magsuya-suya ka sa, I mean, daghan kay kog suod ningon ani ha, but
Mm.
magsuya-suya ka sa influencer, but you know, influencers are there because they have been invited and they are there at no cost.
Mhm.
Not all of them, ha, because there are some influencers who will really pay and experience it themselves, you know, not announcing that they are there to cover the place, but in general, kuama na sila. You know, they've been invited and they've been given the full experience at no cost.
Mm.
So they fail to the people looking at them, Neil, ba, they fail to understand that part ba.
Mm.
Mo na magsuya-suya.
Kay, para nako, di man good sa kalikayan, no? Pero mauli na, how I wish, no? If pwede nako matambagan ang tanan. Okay na, it's always, you know, it's always fun to see friends on social media. It reconnects old friends nga wala long time na mo magkita, no? Wala way connection. But for me, ang uban man good, himuon nila murag actual life comparison
Yes.
in which para nako sayop gyud. No, sayop.
Like example, Neil, di ba daghan og na, what's the right word? Sequester? Sequester ba na, nasakyanan?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, tungod sa suya-suya.
Foreclose.
And a lot of these a lot of these people na na-sequester, I don't know if that's a right word, but a lot of these people na na-sequester ang sakyanan,
Foreclose.
they're
Yeah.
they're of a certain age range.
Right.
A certain generation.
Right.
Oh. Bunga ng imuhang giingon ba na makakita din gusto mo sunod. I don't know what's the right word.
Yeah, kay mauligi na no. Kanang murag feeling nga murag kung naa siya dapat naa sa ko.
Yeah, kadang I want that niya.
Mm.
Pangutan na kaya nimo.
'Di ba? Kaya ba
Oh.
nimo?
Mm.
'Di ba? Ya karon kay tempting man sa kining mga dealers.
Mm.
Naaman sa ilahang mga promos, zero down payment.
Grabing promo sulod, no?
Sa yun kag zero
Oh.
down payment.
Pero ang imong monthly
Diba?
ana,
Ang monthly lagi mao nay dakong pangutana diha. Now, sometimes I don't know. No? I mean, it's not for us to judge them, but maybe the way I think of it is sobra lang gyud siguro sila ka kanang murag I don't think the word is suya eh. Kanang murag kanang feeling lang siguro nga kung kaya niya, kaya sa nako. Nya wa mo gud ta kibaw. Maybe kibaw ta sa iyang trabaho pero wa ta kibaw sa iyang sideline business.
mhm.
'Di ba? Basig na siya second job, na siya na sideline nga negosyo which is doing well. 'Di ba?
Oo.
We would never know. Sometimes ang atong i-compare is ang iyang trabaho, ingana iyang sweldo, akong sweldo ingana masad.
Amo lagi they're deceived by what they see, Neil.
Yes.
They do not see beyond it ba?
Correct.
Oh.
No?
Ang iya lang, he's driving a Wigo. I want a Wigo. I'm specifically saying that because that's a car that they commonly get, di ba?
Yeah, mao na na. Bisag di na lang ta mo tungtong sa auto. Ari lang tas mga motor.
Oh.
Kaning mga motor mo gyud grabe kayo. No?
Really? Motor sa?
Mga motorcycles.
Oh.
No? So, anyway, talking about motorcycles. Hi, maayong gabi, Rodney. Yan, RO. Rodney O'Carroll. So, I don't know if he's already in Bogo. There's a race this, I think tomorrow. There's a motorcycle race in Bogo. So, he's going there. I don't know if he's there now. Good luck and amping sa biyahe, RO. So, talking about motorcycles. Kaning motorcycles, mao ni pinakadaghan karon, no? I don't know the dealers, ang uban ganing dealers bali, motorcycle dealers.
Mm.
They would even prefer nga imong utangon compare bayran nimo palito nimo cash.
Really? Why?
You know why?
Why?
At the end of the term, especially if you're opting for the 3 years term,
Mas dako sag makuha.
mura nagduha ka motor imong gipalit.
Oh, yeah. Right.
Almost 2 motorcycles.
Right, yeah.
No? So, imagine that tungod ra sad ana. Now, ang uban mo ingon magud ang uban nga amo naman gud nang gi-compute sir. Mas makatipid man gud mi sir kontras mamliti mi. Makauli pa mi dayon di na mi kinahanglan mo linya. Okay, fine, that's valid. I accept that.
Mm.
But my challenge is this. Nipalit kag motor. Now, my next question is, nganong di man ka makaparehistro sa inyong motor the following year?
Mm.
'Di ba?
Mm.
Perting daghana na akong nahibaw-an nga ang mga rehistro sa ilang mga motor expired.
Mm.
Kung na checkpoint, magpadaplin kay expired ang rehistro,
Mm.
'di ba? These are part, no, of your responsibility as a motorcycle owner.
Mm.
Tag-iya kag usa ka buok motorsiklo, imo nang responsibilidad nga imo nang iparehistro
Mm.
usa nimo gamiton sa kadalanan.
Mm.
Expire ang rehistro na meaning you have no right nga imo nang padaganon sa
Mm.
kadalanan.
They fail to see the costs on those things, no? And then the upkeep,
Correct.
the repairs.
Correct.
Ang ilahan lang,
Huh?
they just see that very tiny part.
Yes.
And they don't understand how expensive it can be
Mm.
to spend on the other things that you need.
Correct.
Oh.
So, mao lang nang ako sa diha, no? Mao lang nang ato diha nga murag kanang gitawag na tog wala mabalanse ba?
Mm.
No, wala mabalanse.
Mm.
Now we feel again our topic for tonight is basically cost of living, no? And financial anxiety. Kana apil gihapon na siya nganuman.
Mm.
Kay kung once mukuha na ka nga naa na kay monthly, it
Mm.
will add to your anxiety every time you wake up.
Mm.
Would you agree?
Yeah.
Enigmata pa lang nimo hala unsarong adlaw, unsarong pitsaha.
Yeah. Di ka ni kakatuga na. Matamata ka na tungas gabi eh.
'Di ba?
Mm.
Now, butang na to arita sa mga medyo middle class Ange.
Mm.
Middle class padong diri sa medyo may kaya gid. Credit cards. Credit cards. Would you believe me if I tell you that if you're not a responsible credit card holder, it's your ticket to doom.
Oh yeah. That's why I don't have credit cards anymore.
Daghan kay kog kaila Ange nga wa gyud tungod sa credit card giduot og samot.
You know, when you have a credit card, man good, no? You have the tendency to buy things you don't need.
Mm. Correct.
No, di ba?
Kay lami kay i-swipe eh.
Oh,
'Di ba? Sayo na kay i-swipe
Ah,
sa card eh.
yeah.
Karon di na ra ba swipe, tap na
Mm.
lang, 'di ba? Dami kay tap ba?
like you know, I compare the use of the credit card and
Mm.
the debit card. With
Mm.
a debit card, Neil, I buy only what is necessary.
Correct, cuz
Well,
that's your actual account
yeah,
on your in your account in the bank.
With a credit card, I buy things that I didn't need.
Mm.
Oh, nakitaan lang ba? You know, the what you call this, the impulse.
Mm.
Oh, na.
So, kana lagi kay even middle class people right now. No? I mean most that I know, no? I mean siguro sa ako ra sa ning circle, I don't know sa uban, but talking about my circle of, friends nga mga kaila nga naa sa middle class are also struggling karon.
Mm.
Yes. No, that's true. So,
How much is gas? The last time you gassed up?
the gas was 73.30.
Where, Neil?
73.30 it
Asa ka
was
na station?
it's Petron. Petron has the cheapest.
Yeah. Well, when?
73, but the Shell, there's Shell right now is offering from the pump gas rate on board, they offer less 5 pesos for gasoline and less 3 pesos for diesel.
So,
So
pinay mo
their
gawas.
published rate is 76. So basically 73 lang gihapon. So it's around 73 to
Even
75.
today?
Yeah.
You know, I gassed up at the foot of the hill,
Mhm.
Busay, you know, that gas station.
Mm.
89
Diesel, gasolina.
gasolina premium.
Gasolina, wakay ko maswito sa premium, but
Okay, the last time I gassed up, no, which was
89?
last week.
I
It
think
was
that's the
still
price.
74. Karon 89, grabe, 74 to 89.
ano, balik ka. Balik ka, mas
74
taas
last
last week.
No,
Ni us-us karon og
74.
7 pesos.
di 89 sa ubos nila.
Oh, bali dapat. Bali dapat. Bali dapat. Kay kung ang diesel mo ininaog.
Oh,
Sakto ka. Ang gasolina ni
Saka.
Saka. Correct,
Mm.
correct. Right. So, anyways, mauli gina. So, padayon ta sa kaning ato ang way of living karon.
Mm.
Maong ato man gud ning gistoryahan karon, Ange, kay ma-feel man gud nato right after the so-called fuel crisis na nga niabot og 156 ang diesel. Ang gasolina, I don't know how much was the top peak price of
90
gasoline.
plus.
Wa kay ko
90
ka
plus.
monitor. Wa ba mo abot og 100 ang gasolina?
Wala.
Wala pa
Meron na
abot
mga
og
91, 94.
So,
I mean, Petron, ha?
Mm,
Petron, not
mm,
Shell. Shell
mm.
was 100 plus.
yeah, the 156 was Shell.
156?
150 diesel ha, diesel.
Naabot og 156.
Naabot
ang
sila
diesel?
156.
Oh my God. Really?
Petron was 144, I think.
Yeah.
Ang pinakataas sa Petron, 144 or 145. Basta ni 150 plus.
What time is it? 3.
Yeah.
Sus.
So, karon medyo lisod-lisod yun, no? Lisod og predict because we don't know. That's why how I wish, no? Ang kaning mga news updates are more transparent, no? Sa mga katawhan. Kay, mao ni akong ikuyawan, Ange. Filipinos manggod, the way I see it, ha? Kitang mga Pinoy ba? Kanang, dali na kay tamaanad. Kabantay ka na. I mean, yes, we react at first. No, we get so loud. We complain. We even shout out. No, we tanan na lang. No, kung pwede ta mag-rally ta diha. But eventually, ko moabot ang time. Gamay ra kay nga panahon nga kinahanglan. Wala mo subside.
Mm.
Mo subside or I don't know. Tungod ba na sa pagka-resilient sa mga Pinoy nga dali ra kay ta mo adjust. Mauli gina, no? Murag.
Or maybe we are just resigned to the fact that we have a difficult government.
Well, there's that, no? Taken naman guna siya, Ange.
Mm.
Taken naman guna siya. But what I'm trying to say is, ang kaning mga Pinoy, ang naka-advantage, it's an advantage at the same time a disadvantage. Kaning dali kay ta mo adjust. No, dali ra kay ta mo adjust. Dali kay ta malimot, no? Kaning sa ato ang pagka Pinoy sometimes kanang pinaka-common nga term gani Ange nga mo ingon tag sige na lang. Wa tay mahimo. No? Kanang sagdi na lang, wa tay mahimo. No? Sa tawan, life must go on. Life must move on, no? So it's good in a way, but it's also bad in a way, no? Kay pareha na. Until now, basically I don't know, maybe I'm just lacking of reading the updates in the news or watching the news or reading the newspaper. Mga updates lang yun nga gusto na ko makita, Ange, nga kanang makaingon ko nga properly explained. No? Properly explained sa mga katawhan. Common people, no? You don't have to use mga foreign language, mga unsa pa na diha. You have to explain in a layman's term, no? For an ordinary person to understand. No? What the hell or what is going on. 'Di ba? Nganong ni Saka ang presyo, nganong ni Saka og nga nakataas, no? Imagine, gidebate pa man gani na sa Senate between the Department of Energy and the katong committee
Unsay
sa
debate
Senate.
about?
Gidebate na gipangutana nganong niabot og ingana kataas.
What happened to the deregulation?
Kana lalisunon man guna Ange, because ang deregulation law mao lagi na because of the deregulation law, the government can no longer interfere or di na pwede makabuot ang gobyerno kung pilay presyo.
Wait. There was something that they came up with. They have the right to call out the gas companies that are charging too much because
Right.
of the state of what was that, power emergency? What else was it? What else was it? Aside from calling them out, can they at least momentarily
Yes.
put a cap on the increase?
Yeah, but before deciding on that, maunay gilalis ni Senator, I think that was Senator Marcoleta, if I'm not mistaken. Boss, hi. So, it was, kung ako masayo pa, I think it was Senator Marcoleta who questioned the DOE, Department of Energy, nga, ano ba? Gusto lang namin malaman, no? Pilay inyong palit, no? Magkano ang bili nyo sa oil na yan, na inimport, para makapag-decide kayo na ganito ang presyo?
Mm.
Nagpapaalam ba sa inyo as Department of Energy, are these big companies, no, giving you reports or updates
Mm.
on why, no, on why that our fuel cost is like this,
Mm.
is this high? So kadto pa lang daan, wala na, nagkanga-kanga na og kuan. I don't know kung natubag ba gyud to sa Department of Energy or not, but again, sometimes I agree with you. Ako, usahay kapuyo na lang sa gugtanaw aning balitaan. No? Mao lagi na kanang murag wala man ako dawata. Wa nako dawata nga medyo na ay pagkuwang ang ato ang government. I don't wanna say wala sa gibuhat ang atong gobyerno. Naaman sad.
Mhm.
Unfair sa kina. I mean, to be honest, even if I did not vote for them, even if I don't like them, I beg to disagree as well nga walay nabuhat. Kanang term sa ubang tao ba nga yan or kanilang isulti nga way gibuhat. Naaman.
Anong ingon ana man na, Neil? What
Well,
happened?
ang mga tao siguro makasulti ana because na-feel nila ang kalisod, no? Maybe murag na-feel na sad nila nga murag tinunto naman gani, gibuangan, gibuguan na maging gobyerno na to, no? Nasa nga na because there are also actions from the government nga makaingon sa ko, makainsulto sa atong kabright or sa ato ang kaalam.
Para mo kay to kawa si bato.
No?
Okay, we're not getting there.
No.
We're not getting there yet.
Asa na to?
Ah.
Ayaw, busin na lang tadi ha, no?
Ah.
Because again, mo nang atong topic karong gabi na storya lang sa tag topic parte sa mga kaning day-to-day life, no? Stay away lang sa sa kaning mga politika. Daghan na kay ni balita sa all around Facebook, halos tanan imo makita diya sa mga posting is all about politics.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'll just say this one thing. Hadagaan na pitog bugo eh.
Ah.
For a group of people ba whom you expect to have very high IQs, I'm sure not all of them. There's one there whom I would say is really dumb and does not belong there. But
Mm.
for all these intelligent people, they're not using their intelligence. But anyway,
Well,
Kuan.
ang ako man good ana good. I think they believe. No, they believe in themselves nga bright sila. No? Medyo gatuo siguro sila nga sakto na lang sila. Well, we're not saying they're not bright, no. They're not smart. But all I'm saying is how I wish nga some of these people, I think murag pare-pareha siguro ta gihuna-huna. How these people to be open-minded ba? Nga maminaw sa gani sila nga huy. It's either what na mo sa linya or
Neil, when you are lying and your lie is not well coordinated, you start not acting right.
well, kana lang
These
sad.
people are, I think, I'm not sure, I could be wrong, but
Mm.
these people seem to be hiding something. That's why, when you're hiding something, dili gani na, when you are not speaking your truth, Neil, when you are not speaking the truth,
Mm.
diba? You of course, you have to cover it up.
Right.
Then di man ginani mo matago ang bakak.
Mm.
Oh, so if it doesn't, if it is not, if you it is not heard from you, it is seen in how you act. But anyway, okay. Okay. Sige na ako eh. Balik.
No. So, anyway, kana siguro ato lang nang ma-discuss siguro some other time, no. So, with our
Kanang
other
inig nakita na
topics.
si Bato. Okay.
No. So, going back, no, going back to our topic. No. Siguro next segment na to will be the adulting expectations versus reality. No. Kana ganing nagdako tagikan sa pagkabata nga kanang abi na to nga adult na ta, solved na. No? Just to find out nga murag scam man eh. Murag we were brought up, no, gipadako ta nga murag life is such a fairy tale,
Mhm.
no? Nga murag from ing-ani, we go to school, from going to school, we have a decent job or we have a business later on. And then after that, life goes on very successful. And here we are to find out reality. Oh my God. Dili day. No?
Yeah, I think you're speaking about our generation, Neil.
Exactly.
Oh, the Gen Xers
Exactly.
who are
Kani
the
nga to
children
lang,
of the
oh.
baby boomers, di ba?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
yes.
baby boomer, di ba? When they
60s
talk,
man tong baby
oh,
boomers.
di ba? Black and white. Di ba?
Mm.
Black and white. Okay, there's a process. Okay, step 1, step 2, na.
Yeah. Right.
Oh.
Mm.
So, but anyway, yes, go ahead. Hindi na lang kumu-comment
Nah.
because I'm wondering what is it really like for the younger generations pag millennial di magkailayo nato, no? So there must be some commonality, but for the really example Gen Z, how do they feel about adulting? You know, they feel like when you push them,
Lahi
even
sa tang
at the
Gen Z
very
yeah.
kaya ako no as a Gen
Lahi,
Xer no.
lahi ang Gen Z
Oh,
eh.
I had a great childhood, and whatever childhood I had, I was a child. But even when I was a child, you know, to me, what is adulting? I've always felt like an adult in some way. We were, kung ano si bata patanil, we had responsibilities. We were given
Correct.
responsibilities
Correct.
that
Yeah.
the current generation does not have.
Right.
We're given the same age ba?
Right.
Diba? Kita wala
Yeah, kay
ka
kita,
adults naman tadaan pag
Even
may
if
pa.
elementary pa ta, wala na eh. Gipatabang na ta sa atong parents eh.
Ah,
Diba? Sa negosyo, sa work, or
Mm.
if they bring homework, like, oh, nak, palihog, tanawa, go na, i-add go na tanan. Oh.
mo gani, it takes a lot to make us cry.
Mm.
Di ba
Oh,
hindi
yeah.
na generation, di ba? I'm sorry to say this, karon
Mm.
mo bag gamayng kuhit nimo. Wala na,
Karon
I'm depressed, I hate my
Lahi.
life, what is
Mm.
wrong with my life? And we never said that,
Yeah.
di ba? So,
You know
Anyway,
what? Kana makarelate ko na.
mm,
Kana nay bata gani mo sulti. You know what, Tito, I'm depressed. I feel so sad right now that I don't know. I don't know what to do anymore.
mm,
Murag para nako ba kita magud sa una kung mo problema magud to sa una ha. Kung mo problema to sa una, it's always sa may akong buhaton para masulban niya akong problema.
that's right. That's right.
That's the very first question
Ah.
we ask ourselves. Eh.
Uh-huh.
Time pahaon sa unin ako paglusot.
Mm.
Unsay akong buhaton ani?
That's the training that we got, Manggod Neil.
No? Unsay atong
Ah.
diskarte ani?
Kanang padung ka mo hilak ba din, makitaan kasi mong amahan, inom ka, don't cry.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So,
right.
ikaw, nagdako ka, don't cry,
Yeah.
di ba?
So, medyo na-implant sa ato that
Mhm.
you have to find a solution.
Yes.
No.
Instead of sitting there and mulling over
Mm.
whatever went
Right.
wrong, you spend
Right.
that time fixing it, di
Correct.
ba? Or the
Right.
sooner it's done, the better move on.
Right.
Di ba? Karon bitaw, I don't know, no, it's so prevalent ka ng reklamo ba na I'm depressed. Ko,
Mm.
ano man na, himi lang gini mga bata or ni daghan ng mental illness? Because, why does it seem like, Neil ba, wherever you go, there's a younger, I wouldn't call them children, no, but
Mm.
there's a younger individual
Mhm.
who is depressed. Mo kadaghan ba ninyong na-depressed? Kita sa ato ang edad, siguro, you know, even, di ba, when you go through menopause, I'm not there yet, but I do know that when you go through menopause,
Mm.
most likely you will be prescribed an antidepressant.
Uh-huh.
Di ba? But even if you're
By doctors,
Yes,
ha?
yes.
Yeah.
But even when you're taking an antidepressant, di dyan ka mo ingon na you're depressed. You just say that you're going through
Right.
menopause. Ganun
Right.
sila. At a very tender age, may naman, I'm depressed. Like, oh really? What
Oh, lagi?
happened to you?
Oh.
Di ba?
Dali na kayo na nila ilitok ang word nga
Mhm.
depressed ba? No? Kita gani, makadungog tang tao depressed, kuyawan na ta.
Mo yun.
Kay sa ato ang generation, mo ingon gani ang tao nga depressed, ay kuyaw na ni maghikog.
Mm.
No? Murag na sa pinaka-extreme ba nga point. Karon ang generation karon nabantayan sa nako Ange. Kana lagi, it's so easy for them to I don't know if the word is giving up or kanang mura sila kanang mo stagnate, nga mura
Yeah.
sila mo halt, mo pause ba?
Mm.
Ug sa salida pa mo pause. No?
Kana gid ilahang stress on work-life balance, Neil ba? I understand, no, there should be work-life balance. I think regardless of the generation, we ask for that.
I
But-
agree.
Yeah, but to them, there is so much emphasis ba
Mhm.
on it. Like, you know, parang nasubraan na to us. Our generation, kita, we work like we work like a horse.
Yes.
Like a dog or whatever, like a horse, no?
Mm.
But, sila grabe sa dilahang kwan eh.
Ang ilaha it's more on kuan lang gid nila. They put more emphasis on on kanang work balance. Ang sa ato amang good, it's more on kinahanglan gyapon tag work balance, but it's okay for us if medyo mubugat gamay ang work compare sa kaning gitawag na tog pahayahay or relaxation.
You know what,
Ang-
yes, go ahead.
Ang ilaha man good. Dapat kung moingon isla work balance, timbang yun na.
Ah.
Let's say if 3 weeks of work of mine is an equivalent also to a week travel abroad, I should travel abroad in a week.
You know, because of that batasan nila, no, in the US, Neil, a lot of Gen Zs are getting laid off or released from work.
Sa
I read
trabaho?
it somewhere, yeah. Tukod na nilang batasan, yung ana.
Kana lagi. Mao lagi na. That's why
Especially karon ha, na companies cannot afford to hire so many people. So when you go on vacation, you most likely will not have a replacement while you're gone.
correct.
Diba? Kaya
Correct.
grabe ka streamlined karon ng workforce, and then ikaw diha nagsige kag vacation because you know you're depressed. The company is not gonna take that explanation.
Mao na diha. Mao na diha ang nakalahi, no. So I could say that, you know, management as well in these big companies are also medyo usasa na silang mga concern. No, usasa na silang mga concern sa ilang mga empleyado kay the new generations, like wa man sa good ay choice, Ange, no. So wa sad sila choice but to hire, you know, these new breeds, no, new generations. Kay syempre fresh graduate, no. So kana lang yun ilang i-battle out, no, kanang attitude, lahi ang attitude sa unang panahon compare sa karon. Let's go back a little, or let's go down a little further, no. Bisag kaning mga kasambahay, kabantay ka sa kaning atong mga helpers sa balay. Our yaya before stayed with us even until I got married already. Imagine that. So from baby ko up to nga naminyo ko, ang among yaya na agyapon.
Wow.
No?
Wow, yeah.
Karon pasalamat na ka kung maabot og usa ka tuig imong helper sa balay.
Kaya mo sa
Grabe.
mga helper, mga batan-on pod.
Yes, kay syempre makuha man lang gani kag helper. Syempre kana sa mga iba, di masyaga mo ganahan mo kuha atong mga idaran na,
Ah.
'di ba? So syempre mangita kag helper, it's either through agencies or through referrals, no? So syempre ang uban mo isla, we prefer through agencies kay para at least syempre daghan sa rabang hilabtanon karon, no? So kanang helpers karon, kung makabantay ka, I think I can speak in behalf of the majority, no? Galabad sa dang ulo kay mao pay pag-apply, 2 months, 3 months mohawa na. Or wa pa kaabot og sa katuig, kuya, te, undang na lang kog trabaho. You know what's worse? Mouli mananghid kay fiestas ila di nang balik.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
So basically lahi na gyud. Lahi na gyud ang panahon. No, in all aspects, in all levels of life. No? Now, siguro we can go sa kanang sige, imagine this situation, Ange. Single ka, working full-time, decent imong sweldo, pero every month, 0 gihapon imong savings. Diba?
Lang,
Murag
yeah.
Kapuya, oy. Diba?
Yeah, because we know, diba, did you see that meme, Neil, that sige na lang just, you know, go travel, regardless of whatever. Because the memories will stay with you. The experience will stay with you for the rest of your life. And then the insinuation is, bahalag, iniguli ni mo from your travel,
Todo
gutomon ka. So what, diba?
Oh.
Kana yung kuhaan ka na sa credit card ba na travel now, pay later?
Ay, oh my God.
Kana,
For me,
Jen-
that's,
Yeah.
what do you call it? A bait? For me, a debt bait.
Oh.
No, magkautang-utang juga because of that.
Yeah, magkautang-utang jud ka, Neil, just for travel.
Di
Diba?
kaya-
Would you?
Yeah,
Would you?
ang uban man sa good, Ange, nindot man sa kailang advertising good. Have you been to this country? Have you been to Japan? Have you been to Australia? You have no money? Don't worry. You fly now, pay 3 months after. So, di ba murag, grabe sa kay maka-brainwash ba sa mga tao. So, ikaw, bisag kay bawo ka nga murag, lisod pa man ibiyahe. Utang bitaw. Oh, di ba? Maura ba gina yung mentalities kasagaran? Utang bitaw. Unya na lang na una-unaon, igting bayad na.
Mo na nakalisod
Ah.
diha. O karon.
Diba?
O karon inig-uli, wa na ko noodles na lang pirmi.
So, karon ang ako lang jud ana, literally most people are experiencing that right now. No? Imagine single, no responsibilities in life. When I say no responsibilities, wala no spouse, no kids to take care of, no? I'm not saying no responsibility nga, di ka mutabang sa imong parents, kaya, So, imagine single ka, you don't have the full responsibility of a full, a family guy or family person. And yet, wala kay ma-save. Zero imong savings or very minimal nga makaingon wa mo koy natigom no? So, I don't know if is it just financially irresponsible or lisod lang gyud ang economy. I mean, sometimes yes, naa man gyud mga tao sa dinghana no nga makaingon tag financially irresponsible, no? Lavish, you call them lavish, no? Spending more than what they can afford. So, there's that kind of people, but there are hardworking people at the same time right now nga halos na lang di mo palit og bag-ong sinina kay wa pa magisi. Bahalag lagom na kaayo basta kay wa pa magisi. Because na ay more important nga paggastuan, let's say medication baron sa part of the family. Of course, syempre primary ang pagkaon sa pamilya, no? So, ikaw unsay tan-aw nimo? Is it batasan sa tao nga gastador lang gyud siya or medyo galisod gyud ang ekonomiya karon?
It's both. I think it's both.
It's both.
Yeah. Naman gyud ang suya-suya, Neil, but there is that one thing man gyud na masuya gyud ka na you will find it very hard to control yourself. There, everyone has that one thing. So it's both. Di man sad kamo makaingon na, well, you can't say that the economy is well. It is obviously not. The economy is not well at all, di ba?
Okay.
Oh, and then nasa gyud ang suya-suya. Di na mawa. Di ba?
Pero ikaw, do you think today's people spend too much for comfort?
Actually, yeah, because it's the lifestyle. The lifestyle they've gotten used to, di ba?
mas gastador ba sila just to have that comfort in their life?
Yeah, naanad og Food Panda. Pwede man ba on your way to work if you drive, then you stop by the
Agion na lang
drive-thru.
nimo.
Oh, di ba? Kaysa I'm sorry. Oh my God, I said it. But anyway, food delivery, sorry, there,
Yeah.
di ba? And then
Sige.
what else? Order og Starbucks, di ba?
Remember, we have nothing against these companies. Na example lang na sila kay
Yeah.
syempre. But we're discussing here about the lifestyle. It's the cost of living of an individual nowadays.
Actually, more nagkuhan siguro ko VIP na to be honest, no, VIP na ko sa Food Panda o sa Starbucks. But I don't really spend too much because I'm always on a diet. So let's say like every other day I order or every 3 days I order, but with the rest, Neil, ba kaning mga batanon lagi, they like the idea ba of the lifestyle of the online ordering, and then go to the mall and then buy. Ini ka human og buy og clothes din ari pag yun mag-shopping pag yun sa online.
There's that. I kana no padung tadihaan no. But before touching the online shopping in which pangutan-on sa tikana, balik ta diri sa kaning mga gitawag na tog high branded coffee shops. Na di lang ta mo mention kay abi na lang ato silang gidaot. Remember what ay gidaot nga company. We're just discussing the spending habits of the low income Filipinos. No? Okay, as you can see, muingon sila nga galisod ang Pilipinas. Muingon sila way kwarta ang mga tao. Nganong katong kanang usa sa mga example na to nga mga high brand coffee shops. Wa jud ko'y nakit-an nga way tao, Ange. Perming puno.
Oh.
Ha? Perming puno. Mas usahay mingaw pa gani ng mga baratohon nga kapihan. Kontras mahalon nga kapihan. No? So, that's why sometimes I get to ask myself, galisod ba gyud ta? Galisod ba gyud ang mga tao?
Galisod God, pero mo nilang priority, Neil. Mo na ginilang priority. Instead of kanang putting money in the bank, saving money for the rainy day, wala. Ay, ang ilaha is their priority lang. It's a matter also of what your priorities are. It's my priority nimo.
Yeah, because
Diba?
ang ako mangguda na, I mean, coffees. Let's say, are you a coffee drinker? I'm not a
Yes.
coffee drinker.
Yes, I am.
You're a coffee drinker.
I am.
Now, lahi ba gyud ang lasa sa usa ka buok mahalon nga kape kontra diris baratohon nga kape? Butang na to sa mga 3-in-1 nga kape. Oh, kani mga 3-in-1 nga sachet, ha? O, di lang ta mo mention og brand. 3-in-1 nga kape, tandi nimo aning mga kape nga medyo sosyal nga mga kape. Lahi ba gyud lasa?
To me, okay, I don't drink 3-in-1 because it's it sets off my the acid in my
Let's say
stomach.
kaning mga baratohon lang ang
Brood,
coffee.
brood lang.
Baratohon lang ang coffee.
Wa jud koy problema, ari ko sa mahal, ari ko sa barato, wa koy problema. Wa jud koy problema. And then what? I will sit
How about
anywhere.
the taste? The taste?
No.
You mean the taste are
To
almost
me-
the same?
To me,
Or what?
brewed is brewed. Unless it was not brewed properly, it becomes sour. Kana siya. That,
But there are coffee beans that are sour, right?
slightly sour.
Oh, slightly sour, yeah,
na may
slightly sour.
Kanang sour dyan kayo kaya nasunog ang beans.
Ah,
diba? But
okay.
that's a rarity.
Okay.
So ako nila, I don't care if, I'm at this kanang very expensive. If I'm in a hotel coffee shop,
Okay.
or if I am in that coffee shop or in a cheaper coffee shop,
Yeah.
it doesn't matter to me. Ako, I will sit anywhere. I'm, ako ani ha, ako ani. I don't care what people think about me. I don't have to go to that expensive coffee shop, take a picture of myself and post it because I want to project something. But that's me because maybe it's because I'm a Gen X and we don't care. We're
Kay-
not overly, concerned
Yeah,
with those
'cause
things.
like me, a non-coffee drinker like me, I do drink coffee, but I don't consider myself as a, heavy coffee drinker. Or kanang, di ko mabuhi kung wake up eh. Unlike my partner from Davao, no? Kato siya wagid. Every morning, he has to have his 2 large cups of coffee. No? Kung di siya kasugod siyang adlaw kung wato. No?
The brain does not work. kung walay
So
coffee.
ako, dili ko ingana. With or without coffee, I can still do my daily routines, no, properly. So, ang ako lang, mautong nakakonclude ko, mas lami sigurong kape diha. Kay nganong anaon magis mga tao,
Di
bisag
good.
mahal kayo.
Di good.
Di ba?
Di good. Like there is this mall no in what do you call this? Kanang the road going to SRP. Basta it's a mall. It's one of the big malls there.
Okay.
So in that mall, you have this expensive coffee shop that really has its own enclosed space.
Mhm.
And then there's a coffee shop sa agianan lang sa mall.
Yeah.
Wala gyud ko problema when I get to that mall, the first I will go to is the one na agianan sa mall. It's half the price.
Agianan ka nang naalang sa hallway lagi.
Yeah.
Ah.
It's half the price atong usa. I'm not there for the price. I'm not there to be seen. Well, I don't mind. I just don't mind. Kung puno gani dito and then that's when I go to the other coffee shop. It doesn't matter to me, Neil.
Basta ang
no?
imo lang is,
Nakoy
you just
kape.
have your coffee.
Yeah, wala
okay.
gina ako.
Yeah.
So unsa may imong giapas ana, ang imong giapas ang kape or ang lugar or kung asa ka makitaan or what. So I guess that's it. It's the lifestyle.
Ay, nako. Anyway, so, especially, arita nga rin sa mga, kung ano, kanang gitawag na itong mga breadwinners sa family. No? Imagine supporting family while trying to build your own future. No? Can you imagine that? Kasuporta ka sa imong pamilya and at the same time, you're trying to build your own future. No? So,
Hi, Miss Runette.
hi, hello.
She's our HR. Love kay ni nako.
Okay,
Love
hi
kay ni
ma'am.
nako.
How are you? Thank you for
Si
joining
kung tawag
us.
ni mo last week, Miss Rudy, di ko ni mo tubagon. Ano. But anyway, yes, Neil, sorry.
Maybe she was having her coffee break. Come on. So, anyway, going back sa katong mga breadwinners, no, kaning mga maogi well, karon uso naman karon. It's mostly the couples, no? Ang couple mismo puros na ay trabaho, no? Unlike before, medyo bias pa, especially sa atong generation, medyo bias eh. Atong generation, medyo bias pa eh. Like sa usa ka pamilya, kung ikaw laki, dapat ikaw ang breadwinner. Dili ang babae, no? So, karon mostly sa akong nabantayan, the new couples, wala naman, puros naman working, no?
Oh yeah,
Ang mga anak at naman sa
kabaka,
grandparents.
Di na madanil usara ang katrabaho gyud. The woman has to chip in somehow.
Mm.
Well, of course there are those cases no nakaya gyud sa laki, but in
Yes.
general di na madaang laki raw eh.
Mao lagi, no?
You will overwork the man, then kung ikaw nara ka sa balay, you will become the nagging housewife. It is
Right.
not good on your husband, not on the children, and not on you.
Right,
Oh.
right.
But
Yeah.
anyway, go ahead.
Ang mga barkada sa dako ang mga babae, Ange, mausa na ilahang point nga di na madaoy kay mao lagi na. Imagine we took a 4-year course. Yaw man,
Nara ka sa balay.
naramis balay,
Sakto.
maburo mi sa balay,
Ah.
no? So lahi na ang way of thinking karon. Kaysa unang panahon manggod, mura given na eh. Given na ang senaryo nga basta babae ko, maminyo ko,
Nas balay.
nakos balay.
Ah.
No? My house is my kingdom. Ako ning teritoryo. I should take care of this. Ang akong bana mo isundalo nga musong dito para mangitag unsay ikakaon namo. Right? No? Pero karon lahi na, no? As you can see, maybe it's also tungod sa kalisod, mao nang kinahanglan nagduha na ma-earn og income kay para mabuhi ang usa ka pamilya, no? Di na kaya sa usa. Or maybe because the women nowadays are parang rising up to prove a point nga, you know, kaya sa mga laki, kaya na mo.
Ito.
Good example, pilots.
Ah.
Daghan na kay kung nakitaan nga piloto nga babae. No? So, di ko kalimot ana because I took this local airlines one time. It was my trip from Manila to Cebu. And it was a late night flight because I usually fly in, fly out. I fly to Manila early in the morning and then fly back to Cebu late at night. No? It was, if not the smoothest, it's one of the smoothest landing I've ever experienced. No? So what jud ko mahimutang until I can, you know, give my compliments to the pilot. So paggawas gyud nako, ako yung gihuwat nga medyo mingaw-mingaw na. So wa ko mobarog dayon. Paggawas nako, ako gipangutan na ang flight attendant kay gaabli man ang door sa cabin sa pilot. So ikupit iko mo kuan sa pilot. Okay, kuan lang ko, mo compliment lang ko, no, sa paglanding. Pagkita na ko babae ang pilot.
Oh, yeah?
I was surprised.
How old?
I was surprised.
More or less how old?
Young.
Yeah?
I mean, not young as fresh grad ha, pero siguro I could safely say early 30s.
Wow.
Early
Wow,
30s.
Yeah.
No, early 30s. So, makaingon ko nga, wow. Ikaw ang pilot? Yan na pa ko. No? So, I hope she did not take it as an insult. I hope she took it as a compliment.
Oh,
Nga
yeah, I'm
murag,
sure she
oh
did. I'm
my
sure she
God.
did.
No? So, kana. So, women nowadays are also trying to prove nga, if you can earn, we can also earn.
Nabali naman ang kalibutan ni.
Diba?
Like example ha, I saw it also on social media ha na
Mm.
there was one thing they said na ang mga user karon dili na mga babae, mga laki na.
User? What do you
Mi-
mean user?
Meaning ba magpabuhi ba?
Ow. Really?
Yeah, that's the bad side of it ha. Pero
Uh-huh.
wag nabali na ba? Nabali na. Like example, who's the not in all homes but there are those kanang homes nil ba na the responsible parent is already the woman.
Uh-huh.
Diba? She's the one who's earning. The man is the one staying at home, getting drunk. Diba? There's a lot of that to eh.
Pwede mo apply
Yan
yan, ha?
ang nagbuhi karon ang babae.
Pwede mo apply yan, Ange?
Ako personally, daghan kay kung kailan na ingon ana na ang babae mo yung nagbuhi, nagbaguod sa
Mao ba?
problema sa pamilya. Oh.
Well, I don't wanna say it's, I haven't heard of it, but siguro di lang na kayo common diri sa ako ang mga nailhan. Because mostly sa ako mga kaila, kuan man gyud, they are responsible, you know, responsible breadwinners. So, kana, you're talking about social media. Social media, arita sa social media and financial pressure. Katulad itong gisgutan ganina. No? Nga every scroll, murag reminder nimo nga behind ka. No? Kada scroll nimo, it will always remind you. You see a picture of your old friend before that you used to bully and now driving a Ferrari or driving a Mercedes-Benz.
Amo lagi
Oh,
na.
and here you are just, you know, taking commute or, you know, jeepney. I'm not saying it's bad or it's wrong to take jeepneys every day. No? I mean, there are working class heroes na ay mga kauban na to nga nanginabuhi sa tinarong nga mao sa ilahang ko ano means of transportation, no? Ang pag-commute. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm not saying something bad about it, but ikaw ang feeling nimo, inigtan-aw nimo sa imong old friend nga imong gisugsug lang sa unang panahon, no? Imong buli-bulihon sa unang panahon. Here you are, makita nimo driving a, you know, SUV, these big brands, no? And ikaw unsa may imong bation, no? Di gyud kumutuoan nga di ka ma-affected. kay bisag positive pa kay ka nga attitude nga pagkatao. Imong attitude, positive thinker kay ka. Magkigpustaan na jud ko. One way or another, maapektuhan jud ka. Would you agree? Yeah? Di man siguro necessarily nga masuya, no? Unless kung suyaon nyo ka, no? But, bisag unsaon nimo maapektuhan jud ka. Naagi nay part nga mudot gamay sa imuhang garbo or sa imuhang emosyon pagkatao. Thinking nga mo flashback nga, ako ra man ang binuangan sa una, matay kuyawa, kinabuhi ron, ay. Nya ako na ara magyapon ko diri. Kaya sometimes it also have to do with luck. Kaning swerte, Ange ba?
Yeah.
Di ka tapulan, kugihan ka, kanang responsible ka pagkatao, no? Pero walan jud ka kanang abagi og swerte. Wa ka kuyugi og swerte, no? And here's this person that you used to bully before nga sige, butang na to, di kayo siya kugihan, pero di sad siya tapulan. Di kay siya ingon nga mahilig madiskarte pagkatao, pero giswerte lang yun og maayo. There's that. Now karon kay pag-scroll nimo, pag-open yun mo sa Facebook, mao mo nakitaan nga kanang birthday gift for myself. Wow, a brand new Ferrari. Saon man nimo ron. No? So, ang ubang tao moingon siguro out of kuan na lang siguro palusot na lang. Okay lang na, ingana. Pero di gyud kumutuo nga psychologically di ka affected bisag gamay lang gyud kaayo. Ikaw, what do you think? Basta ako, personally, di jud kumutuo nga di ka slightly, bisag to the slightest fact nga affected ka.
My age group?
Yeah. Whoever. Your age group, maybe older than you or maybe younger than you.
Oh, no. My age group and older than me.
Mm.
Nagdungan man mi og grow, Neil. To be honest, nagdungan gid mi og grow. We're a very strange group. Kay more or less, pareha mig story sa personal life.
Mm.
Pareha mi og kanang na-attain sad, although different fields, different industries. Kanang imuhang giingon na murag maglain imuhang pamati. That happens to me in a certain environment with the younger generation. That certain generation, Nilba, na even though they don't
Younger than us?
Yes.
Younger than us. Okay.
We talked about this before. Na kanang that certain generation, na
Yeah.
even though they do, to us, dili pa sila hinog.
Yeah.
Ilahag yung pugson.
Because they think they are.
Yeah.
They think they
And
are.
then, sa ilahang kasamok siguro, sa ilahang kalangas, ihatag na lang. So, ako, in that case, I still believe, Manggod Neil, no? I mean, even for myself, ako, I do not accept something that I do not feel I deserve. Di ko mo accept og kanang hilaw ko. So, maka-react ko, only in the sense that I say that, how could this person accept something like that when he or she knows it's going to fold? Kaya di pa niya kaya. Oh, that's the only time I will react siguro.
Yeah, mostly raba kanira ba sila, Ange? Kung imo rabang prangkahan,
Muna, may ingon
Malain.
depressed. Oh,
masuko.
kanay mong gingon mo depressed.
Oh, masuko.
Hindi mo muhunong ang kalibutan.
Mm.
Muna
Diba?
sila.
Yung ingnon dayon nga gidaog-daog nato.
Muna sila kanang lami kay pangligsan ba? Sorry. But they can be very frustrating, very annoying. Diba?
Emotional moment.
No, really, ha?
Yeah.
They can really mess up the place. Daghan kay madamay ana na batasan.
Kaya kay, maybe karon ha, tungod siguro sa kaning coping up, kaning pag-cope up sa mga tao sa kalisod sa panahon. Sometimes success karon isn't even luxury anymore. Ang success ba? No? Would you agree? Huh? Being able to sleep without worrying about money. Would you agree with that? Kay sa una man gud makaingon tag successful ang tao kanang mga tao nga nakabiyahe. Successful kayo ang tao kay naka around the world na siya. Successful kayo ang tao because he has a big mansion. No? Or he's driving a very nice car. Karon ang word nga successful siguro sa karon na sa kalisod sa panahon, would you agree? Kanang makatuog lang ka nga wa kay hunahon nga utang.
Yeah. My ex-boyfriend from a long, long time ago, he was a lot older than me, no? So, of course, he had more wisdom than I did.
Yeah.
So, I think I was 19 when he asked me. So how much do you want?
Wait, if you don't mind me asking, when you say way, way older, I mean, how way older? Are we talking about 10
no,
years?
No. I mean, I had a boyfriend who was older, no, but this guy was 9 years older
9
than
years.
me. Oh.
Not that way, way, way older. Because when you say way, 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 remember,
Naka 17 years ba ko older than me?
pilay edad sa asawa ni Tom Cruise karon. And how old is Tom Cruise? That's way, 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 way older.
Who's he's married? After Katie Holmes, he married?
No, I'm trying.
Si Katie,
What I
hindi pa sabot.
meant is
Katie.
Katie.
So anyway.
Wala na day sila. So,
Mm.
sorry. I'm not even updated. I thought sila gyapon.
So anyway, he asked me, how much do you have to have for you to say that you will not want anymore? Na it is enough.
How much
How much money do I have
do
to have daw?
you have to have?
Oh, para makaingon daw ko Neil na
Enough.
this is enough. I do not want anymore. So
Oh,
dugay
that's
kay
hard.
ko. So dugay kay ko
That's hard.
naghuna-huna. So he told me
Yeah.
because the point there is, he said, the point there is it will never be enough.
Correct.
If you are if that is what you are in pursuit of, it will never be enough. Let's say, okay, let's say example, you say 10 million. Inigabot ni mog 10 million, you will want more.
Agree.
And then
I always
more.
agree.
And then more, and
That's
then
true.
more. And then the more you want, the more kadi may mutang. Also, that's my answer to your question.
Yeah, so
Di ka mahimutang anag yun. It again, it depends siguro on your perspective, on your mindset. What are you in pursuit of? Does it bring you peace? Or will it forever give you sleepless nights?
mao na. These are the questions that not even me and Angela can answer it. You have to answer it yourselves, no? So once again, I think medyo Ange, nahutda na tag oras. Nana, ni sinyas na si
Oh,
si
tama, is
si
it-
Rafael
okay,
Dere. So,
okay.
kapaspas oras, oy, no?
Is there a show
Huh?
next? Oh, none. Okay.
Yeah. So, anyway, kana na lang siguro, no? Let's leave our listeners, our viewers, that question. Like, it's really up to you. How much is enough for you? No? Okay. Again, in this type of situation that we are in right now, no? Sa kaning kalisod sa kahimtang sa panahon karon nga atong giatubang. Number one, Ange, katong atong gistoryahan is ang imong spending habit, you have to adjust as well, no? Adjust on something that you have control of. Get my point, Ange? Kay kana man good, let's say for example daghang factors sa kalisod sa kinabuhis tao. There's the factors sa government. That's beyond our control eh. Wa na tayo mahimo na. Whether we like it or not, wa na tayo mahimo diha. No? Unless, again, if you exercise your right to vote properly. No? Maurang yun na. Kay every election ra gyud ta na ay gahom para manghilabot or makabuot kung gusto ba ta matarong atong gobyerno or gusto tang magpadayon aning di man sad siguro kanang gitawag na to why kwenta, because as I said, regardless how much you hate the government right now, di ta pwede musulti nga wa sila'y nabuhat. Naagyo sila'y nabuhat, but it's just not enough. It's not enough for the people of the Republic to feel nga naa sila'y nabuhat. No? Pero I always beg to disagree, Ange, kanang maingon nga, ang kanang mayura way gibuhat, kanang gobernadora way gibuhat, kanang presidente way gibuhat. Naaman sad siguro. It's just that it's not enough. No, siguro gikuwangan lang siguro ang mga katawhan. But again, you should have thought of that properly before casting that vote. No? Or even thinking, di na lang kumubotar kay taas kay linya, di kumubotar kay alimuot kayo. No? Sige reklamo ang mga middle class people, no? Nga mas daghan daw ang masa, so di na lang sila mubotar. The more unsay mahitabo na to kung di ka mubotar. 'Di ba? So again, that's another topic. Ang ato lang for tonight is, coping up mechanism sa kaning giatubang nato nga sitwasyon karon. Just para nako, giving up is not an option, Ange, for me. Mao gyud advice nako for me to all my friends who are struggling, to everyone that I know who are struggling. This is life, no? This is life. Naata dire, we must not give up. Ato lang yung buhaton tanan natong mabuhat. No, buhaton nato tanan natong mabuhat, and then we'll see where it will take us. No? So Anyway, Ange, before we go, any last few words?
Wala na. Okay na ko.
Wala na.
Good to
Okay na.
go.
Okay, thank you everyone. Once again, this is Real Talk, Real Time. Here with Neil and Angela every Saturday night. Well, hopefully by next Saturday. Am I here? Yeah, wait. Let me check. Next Saturday. Yes, next Saturday. Okay, for the next 2 Saturdays, we'll be here, Ange. We'll be here next 2 Saturdays. So, okay, so that's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good night, everyone, and have a blissful weekend.
See you slide.
Walay gitagwan, real talk, real time.